This video will show how to use LXCE OneCLI to remotely configure server settings. Open a command prompt window with administrator privileges. Navigate to the directory where the OneCLI utility was extracted. Run the OneCLI config show command to display the current configuration settings. The B parameter is to specify the target server's BMC access details in the format shown on the screen. All current settings will be displayed in the console. To display a specific setting or subgroup name, use show followed by the setting name or subgroup name. Use the OneCLI config set command to modify a single setting. Specify the target setting and assign the desired value. To avoid parsing errors, enclose values containing commas or spaces within double quotes. A succeed message will be displayed in the console indicating the setting has been successfully updated. To set multiple values using a batch file, prepare a batch file with the selected settings and their corresponding new values. Use the batch command with the file parameter and specify the batch file path. Execute the OneCLI config batch command. Once completed, a succeed message in the console indicates that all specified values have been updated. Please note that some settings take effect immediately, while others require a machine restart to take effect. Rerun the config show command to confirm that all settings have been updated according to the changes made.